Hello! Today we are doing another Popin Cookin from Japan. And this one is themed with a festival which is called a Matsuri. And in Japan you have these very iconic foods you can get on the market. And so we will make a chocolate banana, and it's chocolate banana flavor. Shaved ice cream, which is blue Hawaii flavor. And then we have corn, which is grape flavor, actually. And we have the candied apple, which is apple flavor. So some flavors are very interesting, some are less. So yeah, we will magically create all these items with water. So for this one, we only need water and scissors. Let's open it. Yay! We did it. Ooh, looks colorful already. Ooh. You can use this to sell your food on. and the other can come with his wallet full of coins and buy all the food from your stall. Let's open it. Oh no! So these are the contents. So first step, they want us to cut off this little corner, and which we will use to measure our water. So yeah, we will cut off this corner. And there are two measurements for this one. We got the 2 centiliters, and this is not even one, I think. Maybe it is one. So our first one will be the apple, which we will just pour in and mix with 2 cups of the big one. So we will get the powder. We will mix it in the star-shaped one. It's a red powder or pink powder. We will get 2 cups of the big. Okay, 1. And then we will mix with the spoon. Then we will make 2 apples, and we will do that by scooping from this one in the apple shape, which goes pretty well. And 1 here. Whoop. Let's clean our little spoon. For the next one, we will make the corn, and that's where this funny thing comes. And we needed to divide it in 2 and make 2 corn shapes like these. What is it? It smells like grape. Okay, we got 2 pieces. And then we need to roll it. Guess this. For the next step, they want us to put in the corn back. Where is it? Here, this one. And we put half of it in the tray, and then we spread it out like this, and then we roll in the corn. I wonder what these things are. It's very... What are they? Only half of the bag. They're probably sugar thingies, sugar balls, little balls of sugar. You think this should be okay, right? Can I spread it better? Okay, this will be it. And then we have the corn, I guess. Okay. It's more difficult than you think. What do you think? I guess we have another one, so maybe the second one will be better. Here we go again. Put it in, pressing it down, slowly rolling it. Slowly. Yeah, I guess. Oh! This one turned out pretty well. Look at it. The next one is the shaved ice cream. So it says put the powder in the wavy plastic tray and add 1 small cup of water. So the wavy tray is this one. Here is the green bag. So let's open it. It's probably white powder. Oh, it's not. Yeah, they look like plastic. Yay, okay. Wow, look, it looks like dishwashing powder. It smells like soda. No! 1 cup of water, but it's not doing anything. So it says specifically to mix it 100 times, and it needs to turn blue. And if there are any small bits left, you need to crush it. Let's mix 100 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like seriously. Those blue specks don't really go away. Okay, then we need to scoop the shaved ice cream into the tray here. So let's do that. But it says you need to make like a mountain, but doesn't seem there is enough. Can we maybe make it more mountain? Like this? Oh wow, it is what it is. Then we need to take the blue Hawaii and we take 1 large tray of water and we mix it and we pour it on top of the shaved ice cream. I don't know the flavor. Ooh, it's blue. Okay, let's mix. And then we pour it on top of this. Guess we pour it here. On our incredible mountain. So the next one are the chocolate bananas, and then we put in the banana mix, which is this one, in the wavy plastic tray. We put in 2 big cups of water. Water. Oh no, I did it again. Let's mix. Ooh, it smells like banana. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, then we need to put it in the banana shape and press it in firmly. So, press together. Look at it. It's very mochi mochi mochi. Okay, we need to divide it into 3. How do we do that? 1, 2, and 3. We press it in the shape. This one might not be enough, or it is. I think this one is a bit too much. And the last one, let's just press it all in. Yeah, now they kind of became like one piece, so I don't think that was... Okay. guess this works. 1 banana. 2 bananas. 3 bananas. And we also need to put them on this stick first. The shape's kind of changing. Banana. Let's put it in here. Okay. I think this one turned out the best. So for the sauce, the chocolate sauce, we need to put again in the tray with the waves. And we need to mix it with 1 cup of water. And then we need to drip it with the spoon. It should just be chocolate though. Okay, we'll mix it. Oh, it smells like chocolate a lot. So we will set up our stall. Okay, so we have our stall. We have our beautiful corns. I will just put them here already. This. And we have our bananas. 1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana. We need to put the chocolate on the bananas. Okay. Like this. It's not going how I imagined. Yeah, okay. And then we have our sprinkles. Oh, how should we do it? Maybe just a corner? Oh, yeah, it's already going everywhere. Oh, that's so colorful. Oh no! Where are you going? So good. Next, we should not forget our apples and our shaved ice cream. So we just have our toothpick and we take out the apple. So they say you just pinch it in the apple and take it out. Okay. Oh no, it needs to go the other way. Of course. Like this. Yeah. Oh. Okay, let's do it like this. With our fingers, otherwise it will have holes already. Okay. This one's better. Like this. Yay. Look. It looks so pretty. Are we supposed to cut this cup out or anything? I don't know. I don't know anything else to do. Okay. I guess this is what they wanted, but they didn't really say so. This is a must. So we will cut this out. If you see this symbol in Japan, you know it's shaved ice cream. I love this symbol, it's so iconic. So I just got a little tape and I will just do this. And then we will do this. Yay! I wish it was more of a mountain, but it looks pretty cool now. And Kakigōri for sale. So let's go to the most important part, which is the taste testing. Which one should we try first? Okay, let's try the corn because it kind of looks the most boring, I would say. It could have been better. I'm very curious what this yellow stuff is, but they say it's grape. So let's see if it tastes like grape. Yeah, it tastes like grape, but the artificial one. It It doesn't taste bad actually. Yeah, just like those grape candies. I still don't know what it is though. Why is it yellow when it tastes like grape? Anyways. The next one, let's try the apple. Let's try the one that almost fell off. So it's very shiny. It should taste like apple. So let's go. Yeah, it tastes like apple and it completely dissolves in your mouth. It's gone in an instant. It was not a very strong apple flavor. Because it's made with water, it just falls apart instantly. Let's try the banana. This is what it became like. And okay, let's go. This one tastes pretty good. It tastes like banana with chocolate. Very interesting. It's kind of like mochi. And next we have the Kakigōri, which I think looks way better than I initially thought. I think it's just the image that makes it look better. So it's blue Hawaii. Let's go. So we scoop one bite. Ooh, it's very blue. Okay. No. It's very powdery still. It's a little bit sour. I don't know. I don't like it. You don't have to like everything. So yeah, I'm actually surprised with this one. I like this one. This one, I don't know. It just dissolves. It tastes like nothing. This one is very artificial. And the banana is actually really good. So yeah, if you want to try this one, I would highly recommend it because it's a very interesting experience in the end. If you have the chance to visit a festival in Japan, I would highly recommend it. And that's it for this time. I hope you liked it and I will be making more of these in the future. So I hope to see you next time. Bye!